Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is the Pro Dual Torch, and as you can see I've just separated so that you can see that it's separate. But this is if you want it as a dual torch. If you want it as a single torch, you disconnect it. There's an adapter that gets put, which we give to you. So this piece falls away. You connect the adapter and you connect the single, and now you have a single torch. Now when it comes to the cable, you'll see there are two different connectors. This first one with the funny little turny thing, you actually cut this piece off because this hose will connect to your regulator, which you then have onto a clamp. And the one with the screw, as you can see, it's a screw that screws directly onto the back of that. So what you have is you have either the dual torch or the single torch. You then use the adapter, or you don't use the adapter, depending on if you wanted a single or a double. You will take the screw on bit, you will screw it onto the back of the torch, and the one with the two little handles on the side here, you'll cut this off because this piece of hose will connect to there, and obviously you put a clamp on there, and the back goes straight into a 9 kg gas bottle. And there you got it, guys. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.